Hello everyone, I am Arif Sharma,
And I'm Sujay Arya from Soundarya Newton School.
and together we're representing Team 6. Today we're going to be presenting to you an AI powered irrigation system that uses a relay module, an ESP32 camera, and a soil moisture sensor. This system is perfect for efficient water management in agriculture, home gardening, and even greenhouses.
The global demand for food production is rising day by day due to increased urbanization, population, and changing diets. By 2050, the world population and the requirements should rise by 60% to satisfy every person on this earth. This pressurizes the agriculture sector to grow more food while conserving resources for future generations.
If proper steps are not taken, this will lead to a food crisis. A food crisis will lead to widespread hunger, poverty, and malnutrition. Long-term effects can also include stunted growth in children and reduce workforce productivity, and also pressurize the humanitarian organizations and the governments to address the issues of these ongoing food insecurities and hunger problems.
To face all these problems, we have developed the perfect solution, the AI-powered smart irrigation system. So let us start with the basics. We have used the soil moisture sensor, which is present here, which determines whether the soil is too moist or too dry.
So the thing that makes this smarter and more special is this ESP32 camera. This camera is a Wi-Fi module. So basically you can visually monitor your plant from anywhere in the world if you've connected to an app or a cloud platform, essentially. So it will allow you to visually monitor your plant's soil moisture levels and your plant's health.
The interesting part about this project is the relay module. It automatically triggers the water pump to be on or off according to the soil moisture sensor while sending the data about its water content.
So this system of monitoring and automation makes this very good, and not only reduces water wastage and not only saves water, it also saves the farmer's time, and it also saves and ensures optimal plant health.
The very cool about this project is the integration of AI with agriculture. Using AI, we are able to recognize every crops by using edge impulse. We have trained our model with thousands of images of different crops. Here's a demo of our smart irrigation system. The soil moisture sensor sends the real-time data to the AI part. The web page here displays about which crop is identified. As you can see, it has identified the crop as carrot, and the irrigation status is moist. It's also displayed in this LCD. The good thing about this project is also it also suggests the best fertilizers as well as pesticides that could be used to increase the crop production. Another advantage is live monitoring of your system. The identified crop is located here. The main theme of this project is not just growing crops, but we are sowing the seeds of a greener and sustainable future for all. Thank you.